Hey guys, it is Wednesday. I'm at Bloomingdale's right now doing some shopping, but then I'm gonna head to some other shops in Soho before my meeting. I have a meeting at 4 with UNIQLO to do my onboarding stuff because they asked me to be a UNIQLO ambassador, so I'm so excited for that. I think I like these ones better. They're so cute. I love these perfumes so much. There's so many good scents. I'm at the newly renovated MoMA design store in Soho, and it is so pretty. Look at these Christmas jelly cats. This one is so cute. It's like $40 though. That's kind of a lot. Look at these Miffy ornaments. I feel like I saw someone finding these at Marshall's, so I'm gonna look there first, but they're so cute. I've never seen these before though. They're like little candle holders, but it's like Miffy spinning around. It's so cute. I love all of this stuff, especially these robes. They're so colorful and cute. There's so much Miffy stuff. I was just walking down the street and Poshmark was giving away free hot chocolate, which was perfect because I'm getting cold walking to all my stores. So I'm gonna finish this and go to a few more shops before my meeting with UNIQLO. I'm so excited. I just got out of my meeting at UNIQLO and it was so much fun and I really loved meeting the team. They gave me like the cutest gift bag, so I'll show you what they gave me when I get home. It was so sweet of them, but I'm so excited to start working with them and creating content. But right now I am at Hashi Market and I stumbled upon their newest location, I think, in the city, so I'm gonna walk around and grab a few things. These sound so good. They have so many different flavors. I've never seen these before. This is so adorable. There's so many cute ones. Oh my gosh. This is actually so insanely cute. But I really need to stop buying Miffy glasses. I have so many. I haven't seen this one yet. Everything is so cute. I just got these at the other Hashi Market, but mine had Miffy on them. They are loving Boris at this Hashi Market. He even has his own little silverware set. I just tried the mango version of these cute little ice creams, and they have all the flavors here except mango. But they have the one I've been wanting to try, which is a strawberry, so I'm definitely gonna get that to try it. I'm so excited. I wish I could try all of these, but it's too cold to have that much ice cream. Look at how cute and yummy this looks. Let's give it a taste test. It tastes like a really good strawberry yogurt. This is really good, but I think I like the mango one better, which is kind of crazy because I'm such a strawberry girl, but the mango one was just really good. This is still good. I'd rate it like an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna head over to Marshall's and Target and then the train home. I'm back home. So you probably saw me shopping at Marshall's last, and after that I went to so many different stores, but I was carrying so many things that I couldn't get my camera out. So it was a good night. I went to Trader Joe's and H Mart and just got a bunch of groceries. But I wanted to show you what I got in my little goodie bag from the UNIQLO team. So this was the bag. It was just a simple tote, but it was huge. This is great for the next time I get groceries. It has their little logo right there in the corner. And then look at how cute this little charm is. This little keychain. It's a mini version of their sweater in this cute lilac, and then their little logo. The first thing that was in my tote bag was this winter hat, and this is so cute and much needed because I only have a pink beanie that I like for the winter. I have a lot of Carhartt beanies, but it's just like Carhartt's not my vibe anymore. I used to wear those in high school. So I needed one without like a brand, and this one is so soft. So I'm really happy about that. And then they gave me their Heat Tech mittens, and this is in the same color, so it's a little set. And these being Heat Tech is huge because I'll just be that much warmer. And these are perfect because these mittens are like this, and then you can slip your fingers, and even I found out you can slip your thumb through it, so I can use my camera and my phone still, which is like a huge plus. Next thing that was in my bag, I was so excited to see it. It is their Heat Tech Cashmere Blend. This is the crew neck, long sleeve, and I've been wanting to try this since last winter because I found out about it kind of like when winter was ending. So I was gonna try it this winter, and this just like happened so perfectly. This is like a thin layer that you can put under your clothes to stay extra warm. So like right now I'm wearing a shirt underneath this shirt, and it's just really uncomfortable because it's kind of bulky feeling, but this is so thin and the technology in it keeps you so warm, so it's just a win-win. So I'm so excited to try this out and see how it works. The next thing that was in my bag, I really am so grateful for this. Like, this was so nice of the team to give me. It's a 100% cashmere sweater, and it's just like in the perfect cream color. It's so soft. I'm just so excited to wear this. Like, I really can't even explain it. Like, I'm just so excited. I've always wanted a cashmere anything, really. So having a nice cashmere sweater now is everything to me. I am so happy. Then they also gave me this cute little magazine, and I love a good magazine. I feel like stores stopped making them, and it's just sad because I love looking through them. As like a designer, I appreciate like the layouts, just everything. Like, I love photography, so just everything about a magazine like speaks to me, and I feel like this one is laid out really beautifully from what I've seen, just like going through it pretty quickly. Like, this is like so nice. Last but not least, they wrote me a little handwritten note, and it's just so sweet and meant a lot because this is my first brand deal, I feel, with like a major company. And it just means a lot because I've always wanted to work with them, and being able to work with them so early on and like creating content is crazy to me. So I'm definitely gonna put this in my keepsake box because this is like a big moment for me, and I'll remember this forever. Like, I'm so happy to be working with them. I'm so excited to pick out some pieces to create my content for them throughout November and December. When I got home, there was a package for me, which is my favorite thing to see, and it was from Subdued. It was the outfit I had picked out because I'm filming promo for them for their new store opening next month. I think it's their first location in the US, which is major. So I'm so excited for them, and I'm so excited to be like a part of it. So this was the outfit. It's so cute. I didn't even notice when I picked out this top that it had glitter in it, and that makes it so cute. Like, it's so festive. Can you see it? It's like kind of gold shimmer. But I love their tops. This one is just like a sweater with some cinching at the bottom. Cute, just cream and gold. And I picked out some flare jeans. They look like this. Just cute, kind of like wash with a rip at the knee. Then I thought it would be cute to add this belt to it, so I picked this out as well for an accessory. It's just a simple, cute brown belt. I feel like I have no belt, so I was like, this would be a good pick for me. Now for the best part of this outfit, the jacket. This is so cute. I think it's one of their new pieces on their site, I believe. But it's just this huge brown furry coat. Like, I'm so obsessed. I have a coat like this from Aritzia, and I just like love it. It keeps me so warm, and I feel so like chic in it. It's just like, it's just so nice. So I feel like all of that together is gonna be such a cute outfit. But right now I'm gonna shower. My feet are killing me because I walked around in high-heeled boots all day, but Nothing a warm shower can't fix. And then I'm gonna make dinner and then probably do some design work and go to bed. Today was such a good day. I am just so happy with how everything's just happening so organically, and I'm meeting so many amazing people and teams, and I'm just feeling so grateful right now, and I'm gonna go to bed very happy tonight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I just got to the city and I'm in Soho right now because the Go-To invited me to their pop-up today. It's actually happening all weekend long, but I have another event tomorrow, so I had to come on opening day. I am so excited. This company is so chic. It's just very curated, like gifts or just anything that you could want. It's so cute, so I can't wait to see everything in person. It was so sweet. I met the owner and she gave me all these goodies. I'm so excited to try all of that. It's the next day and I'm back in the city. I got invited to another pop-up today. I'm so excited. It's with this gel nail polish brand that I use like weekly, so it should be fun. Look at how pretty these trees in Radio City looks. They're all ready for Christmas. I just got out of my event and now I'm headed to Fifth Ave because I have some shopping I need to do. But I can't shop for long today because I need to get home. I have so much to do. It's also getting a little chilly and I don't have mittens again. Guys, I'm actually freaking out right now. I just saw Olivia Dean. I was walking past the 30 Rock like side entrance and I saw the security guard I recognized from when I was in college because he was like the SNL security guard. So when I would like see the cast after the show, he was always there. So I was like, oh, it has to be someone from SNL. So I thought it was just like a cast member. So I like waited because the black SUV was already there. So I was like, okay, they'll come out quick. And nobody knew who was coming out. And this girl hops out of the car with her head down. And I was like, oh, like, I don't know who that is because I don't have my glasses on. Silly me. And then someone was like, oh, it's Olivia Dean. And I literally started freaking out. I was like pressing the photo button on my camera so quick on my phone because I just wanted to like capture like her face to prove to my family and friends that I saw her because my dad and my best friend are like obsessed with her. And so am I. Like, that's why I was freaking out. So I got, like, this blurry photo of her. But I'm honestly happy with it because she was being, like, pushed in, obviously, so quick by her security. Today was such a good day. I took so many random, like, twists and turns throughout my day. But it ended up timing perfectly for me to see that. Like, I got on the wrong train from Soho to Midtown. So if I got on the right train, I wouldn't have seen her. Feeling so blessed. Oh, I'm so happy. It is Wednesday and I'm back in the city. I am currently sitting next to some lovely Christmas trees. It smells so amazing here. I just like hate the smell of New York City. Like it always smells like pee or garbage. So smelling a bunch of Christmas trees is a treat. I'm only in the city for a little bit today because I came in just to film some ads that are due this week. I filmed one for C4, which I love working with them every month. And I also filmed my UNIQLO ad. It's my first one for November. I'm filming a few videos for them. And this one was focusing on their heat tech clothing. And I am newly obsessed with their heat tech. Like, I am always cold. I always have a heater by me. I'm always like under a blanket or in my puffer. And it's just like sometimes I don't want to be in my puffer. Like, it's not cute. I don't want to carry it. It's bulky. And their heat tech clothing is so thin and like beyond warm, like warmer than my puffer, which is actually crazy. But I think I'm gonna grab some matcha at Blank Street because their winter menu came out. I think I want to try the blondie matcha, but I'm not sure yet because the Earl Grey matcha also sounds good. Hi, may I have an iced blondie matcha, please?
Big or small?
Small.
And regular milk or whole?
Is regular whole?
Cow.
Oh yeah, I'll take that.
And your name?
Karis, Karis.
Anything else?
That's it. I just filmed a little taste test review for TikTok, but this is so good. It reminds me of the strawberry shortcake matcha they had, I think last spring. I know I had it in March, so sometime around then. But it's definitely obviously like caramelly and just like shortbready kind of, which is why I think it reminds me of the strawberry shortcake. It is so good. Their matchas are always super sweet, so it's like definitely a treat, and I have it like once in a while, but it is so delicious.